Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hello everyone, this is chapter 33. So let's see what will happen if bibigyan niya ba ng punishment o anong ibibigay niya na punishment ngayon sa kalaban ni Bansha. In the future, pay attention to your words and actions and not lose your sense of propriety. Stern. Yes, shameful. Being pointed out by His Highness, and I have to lower my head to this little village girl. I don't know how I will be laughed at in the future. Nabiyan ka na kasi, di ba? Sister Bansha, I lost. Dapat lang malaman mo. Sinabihan ka ng may mga talent din sila. Hindi lang ikaw ang may talent, girl. Miss, this warm jade gin is given to you as a reward. Don't refuse. Oh my gosh, ginawang binigay sa kanyang reward. Di ba, national treasure yun? Binigay lang sa kanya. Wow. Is it this a Dory treasure of the queens? It was given away so easily? Strange, who is this fifth Miss Jinshi to His Highness? Disgust, a buzz. Could it be that His Highness wants to win over Marcus Yao? But Marcus Yao is just a layman. He has no power in the court. Bow. Respectful. Ayaw niya talaga tanggapin yan kasi nga galit nga siya sa'yo, di ba? This item is precious. I cannot accept it. Please take it back, Your Highness. Get up. His Highness, I just came back from the countryside, and I am negligent in my duties. I offended Your Highness. It's hard for me to defend myself. Approaches. Please punish me, Your Highness, and don't touch the foal to this young girl. Sino ba yung nagsasalita? Refuse? Siyempre, national treasure yan. Bakit niya accept yan? Tsaka galit siya sa'yo, no? Then, in this lifetime, I will never let you go. Get close. Tingin mo papayag siya? Don't even think about escaping. You can't get away. Goodbye, Your Highness. Sa tingin mo? Ano sa tingin niyo? Bibigyan niya kaya yun? Stride away. Dad, are you scared and can't run? Start the group. Speak louder. Sinabi niya pa. Talaga to. Mother, what should we do? His Highness is so biased towards Bansha. Mother has own arrangement. Meron na naman ginawa to. Tell the merchant from Outer Molia to send someone to deliver a message to Marcus Yao. Yes, if Bansha has a thieving brother, she won't be able to marry into the good family and will never be allowed to enter the palace. Baka nakakalimutan mo, magkapatid din sila. Kapatid sila ng anak mo. Iba naman yan. After a banquet. So older brother already knew Jinshi's true face? Yes, I disguised myself as a playboy with no family to avoid Jinshi's scheming. In fact, I grew up with the Chen family's son and often stayed at their home to study strategy and martial arts with him. Alam mo naman pala yung anong ginawa ng stepmother mo. Bakit di mo tinulungan yung mga brothers mo na naiwan? Pati yung baby sister mo. Diba? Gawa kay strategy. Why did older brother dress up like that and appear in the Chan family's back garden today? Hmm. I look like an idle second generation, but I'm actually secretly working for the Crown Prince party. Oh, tapos bakit mo ginanon si ano? Bakit ginanon mo yung princess? Today, I was tasked with taking care of Mu Bishi, who attended the Chan family birthday bucket, but I accidentally got injured. No? To think that my own elder brother would make Moonbei do manual labor. It's truly unjust. Little sister, you saw through Jinshi's true face and took perfect precautions. Elder brother is very pleased. But over these 10 years, elder brother has been silently watching over you. You have a very innocent nature. How did you suddenly start planning for this? Ah, nalagaan pa rin naman pala niya yung baby sister niya. Hmm. Those elder brother think I'm too smart for my own good? Dos naman das. Elder brother knows how to disguise himself. Don't you think little sister can do the same? Hi, you're so young. This is supposed to be a carefree time for you. Ay, second life niya yan. Okay lang yan. But we must be prepared to get entangled in these grievance and disputes. Elder brother, in the past you fought alone with your disguise without anyone's help. But from now on, Bansha will face it with elder brother together. Innocent masyado. Relieved. Little sister, you've really grown up. I heard that second young master's getting better now, which must be attributed to little sister. You can try telling second young master Jean's true identity first. Ano yung sasabihin, tingin niya sa stepmother ninyo, ano? Third brother has been deeply poisoned by Jinshi's toxin. Let's talk about it later. Wala na silang pakialam na sa third brother nila. I agree. I'll let him know that we may be sold. For now, we need to quickly expose Jinshi's true face, make father lose all trust in her, and strip her of her stewardship. Paano mo gagawin yan? Eh, di ba ma-impluensya nga yan? Ay, nako. Our siblings can only make a name for ourselves in the future if we work hard. Miss, something bad happened. Anong nangyari? Third young master is having a secret transaction with merchant from Outer Mongolia at Changju Ti's house. Third young master even brought a second young master along. Hala, dalawa pa jud. Talaga tong third master na ito talaga. Third young master slipped away an hour ago and caused trouble again. How come he brought second young master along with him? Could it be that in the previous life, third young master was falsely accused of theft on this very day? Zhangsha, Shu is not far from here. I'm going to save my brother. Get up. Let's go together. It's not safe for a girl like you to go alone. Hindi mo pa naisip yan, paalis na siya. Big brother, you need to help me explain to the family. Moreover, I turned down His Highness Jin today. Jinshi will definitely make use of this to cause trouble for me when we return home. I need your help in dealing with it. But, ay napagbat-bat dira. Shangzu is highly skilled in martial arts. No need to worry. Cutie talaga nitong babaeng to. Hi. Alright guys, this is the end of the chapter. Chapter 33. Let's see what will happen in the next one. See ya! And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone.